Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, I need to make an introduction. It's time I make an intro. It's your girl. S to the A to the S to the H to the A to the W to the N to the N to the A. Thanks again for tuning to my channel. Big up on yourself, on a large, on a up. Yeah. So as you can see based on the title, I will be showing you guys how I get this look from my very short, shrinky hair. So I'll be showing you guys how to get maximum stretch from your hair while keeping your hair moist and without using heat, of course. So my hair type is 4C. You know, this hairstyle is very easy, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and that you will be able to do it for yourself. So guys, my hair has been freshly washed. See, I still have some shredding going on after pulling out the faux locks, guys. I almost had a fit because my hair, the amount of hair that came out, I legit started crying because I did not expect so much shedding at all. But yeah, this is my hair after, you know, it has been washed. So you can see shrinkage and all. So I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair. They're not going to be neat parts. So this small section right here, I'm going to start off with that. Comb it through a bit because the hair is still wet. See, I still have some shedding here. So I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner from Lotta Body, and I'm just going to spray that on. I don't have much left, so yeah, rub that in. Then I'm going to go in with the Moisture Me Curl and Style Milk from Lotta Body as well. It's my first time using this, so let's see how it turns out. So I'm just going to pump some into my hands. I'm going to put that on my hair. And then I'm going to go in and plait this into some tight, alright, put this comb over here into some tight plaits. See that? Curl the ends. So this is how it's looking, guys. So we're raking this in. Ensure that our hair is well moisturized and to detangle as well, because we don't want any tangles in our hair. And we're going to plait again. Going on. Oh, see that? Still have some shedding, but that's fine. Then we're going to plait that. So guys, as you can see, the product seeps into the hair already, and this is how it's looking. So this is how you want your plait to look. See that? This is how the plaits are looking. Yeah, very juicy and nice. Alright, so I have my small bonnet on, you know, just to protect my hair, to seal in the moisture. About 3 hours before my bedtime. My hair should definitely be dry enough by the morning so that we can pull it out, and I'll show you guys how to do the puff. Nice, neat and juicy puff. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, I am back. It is 5 a.m. you know. Yeah. So my hair is like this right now. It feels a bit wet. Well, not wet, but yeah, like it's not completely dry. My scalp is dry, which I am grateful for. Yeah, this is how it's looking. So I'm going to be taking this coconut oil and castor oil mixture. I'm going to be placing that in my hands. Then I'm going to rub that up, warm that up, and then I'm just going to rub it on the ends of my. Then I'm going to go ahead and unravel the braids. How my hair looks after pulling out the braids, stretched, and yeah, still feels a bit damp as I said, but we go on. Next I'm going to be using my comb. I'm just going to comb out all the parts within my hair to make it into one big fluff. Next I'm going to be taking the argan oil, Eco Styler gel. I'm going to put some of that in my hand, about this amount. I'm going to add a bit of water to that. I'm going to rub it up into my hands. I'm going to press that into the front, the back, and the side of my hair. Then I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to brush the gel in to the hair. You need a nice stretchy scrunchie to put your hair up into the puff. Nothing too tight, nothing too loose. So this is what I use. Then I'm going to go in with more Eco Gel and my toothbrush from Colgate, and I'm going to dip that in, add some to the edges, just like this, and I'm going to lay these babies down. You want to ensure also that the hair at the back of your head is also laid. So we add some gel to that. Alright, so I have about an hour or more to get ready for work. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using this scarf to lay my hair down so that it holds into place, so that it dries. Because you know, we added some water with the eco gel, so just ensure that everything is secure. So I'll see you guys in a second with the final look. So I am back to show you the final look. So let's pull that off. Yeah. So guys, this is how our hair is looking. I'm just pulling these up a bit into shape. That's how it's looking. Our edges are laid. Our hair is laid. Pulling our puff so that it looks nice and fluffy. So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. I hope it was very informative. I hope you'll be able to do this style. I hope it will be very easy for you, because it was very easy for me. It's my go-to hairstyle. So yeah. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and share this video with someone who you know needs a simple hairstyle, for every day on the go. Bye.